The Tajid Dod scheme is an initiative by Pakistan Federal Board of Revenue aimed to bring small traders and the shopkeepers into the tax net. Here are some key legal aspects and implications of this scheme. Legal framework. Income Tax Ordinance 2001. The scheme is implemented under Section 99B of Income Tax Ordinance 2005. This section allows the FBR to introduce special provisions for certain cases of taxpayer. This scheme was officially introduced through statutory regulatory order. Key features. Fixed monthly tax. Retailers are subject to fixed monthly tax ranging from rupees 100 to 10,000 rupees depending upon the fair market evolution of their shops. Advance income tax. This scheme includes provisions for collecting advance income tax, such as which is very common practice in many countries. Implication and changes. Low registration rate. Despite of the scheme introduced, only a small percentage of traders have registers, and they are raising about questions about a trader protest. Traders have launched countrywide protest, and they are saying that the government has become a burden on this government stance. No rollback. The federal government said the FBR will not roll back because it is necessary support for small traders. The government aims to create fair tax collection mechanism that does not disappropriate the burden small traders. Implication. Tax base expansion. This scheme is the part of broader efforts to expand Pakistani tax base and improve tax compliance. Economical impact. While intended to increase tax revenue, such scheme depend when the success of such scheme depend when the community at large accept it and play their part.